Okay, students, in today's class we'll continue from, that is in your page number 98, first chapter revision. We'll continue from third bit, that is convert. Okay, in this first one, a 680 seconds, this is 680 seconds, you have to convert into minutes and seconds. This is a kind of revision for you. Okay, those who are confusing in such type of topics, this is kind of a revision for you. Okay, so let's see, 680 seconds into minutes and seconds. So if you want to convert from highest unit to lowest unit, you have to do what? Multiply. Reverse, if you want from lowest unit to highest unit, this is a kind of revision once again. Lowest unit to highest unit, if you want to convert, you have to do division. Lowest unit to highest unit, you have to do division. From highest unit to lowest unit, you have to do multiplication. So 680 seconds, this is in lowest unit, you have to convert into minutes and seconds, no? So 680 by 60. So you have to convert into seconds, means you have to divide it by 60. 60 seconds means 1 minute, so that it will convert into minutes and seconds. So cut both these. Okay, 0 0 will get cancelled, so you have to divide here. 68 divided by 6 means with 6 you have to divide 68. 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Here you will get 8 down. 6 1s are 6 again. You will get remainder 2. 8 minus 6 2, no? Once again 6 1s are 6. You will get 0. 6 minus 6 0. Bring down 8. In 6 table where you will get 8, you will not get. So 6 1s are 6 again. You will get 2. 2, no? Yes. Remainder is 2. Keep the point here. What you will get? You will get 0 here. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Again you will get 2. 0. Again 6 3s are 18. Again 2. Like that it will go on continue. 11.333 like that. Okay. So what you can write? So if you want to continue, so if you want to convert 680 seconds into minutes and seconds, what you can write? This is 11.33, no? 11.33 is the answer, means 11 minutes. Take 2 decimals at least. Okay, 33 seconds. Okay, this is the answer, 11 minutes 33 seconds. Okay, next one, second one is, what is the second one? Second one means B. 8 days 12 hours into, you have to convert into hours. This 8 days 12 hours, you have to convert totally into hours. Okay, is how much? Let's see. So these are days. 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours, no? So you have to multiply 24 with 8 because 8 days are there, no? You have to convert into hours, no? So see, 24 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Okay? 24 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 16. 17, 18, 19. 192. 192 hours means 8 days means you got 192, no? That is in hours. 8 days means 192 hours. So this is in days. You have to convert it to hours. Means days is the highest unit. Okay. From days to you have to convert into hours means what you have to do? Highest unit to lowest unit. You have to do multiplication. So that's why I did 24 into 8. I got 8 4s are 32. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 192 hours. Okay. Plus 8 days, 12 hours. You have to add 12 to this. So 8 days means you got 192 hours. 192 plus 12 hours. Total into hours you will get. 12 hours means you will get 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 1, 10. This is 2. How much? Total 8 days means 192 hours. By multiplication you got. But here it is only 8 days is not there. You are having 12 hours more. So you have to add 12 to 192. You will get 204. 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. Again you will get 2. 204 hours. Into totally hours you will get into 204 hours. Okay. 204 hours. This 8 days you got 192 hours. What you did? 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 24 into 8 you will get 192 hours. For this 192 you have to add 12 hours because he gave in the question 8 days 12 hours. You added that one. You got 204 hours. You have to convert total this into hours. So you got 204 hours. That's all. Okay. This conversion is very important. It will be very useful up to your higher studies. Okay. Not only into this days into hours, like that, centimeter into meter, okay, kilograms into grams, like that, it will be very useful. Okay. So next one, D. What is next one? C. Here he gave the printing mistake, that is C. 14 hours 25 minutes into what? Minutes. 14 hours 25 minutes into minutes. Okay. What you have to do? 14 hours. So 14. Here hours you have to convert into minutes. Highest unit to lowest unit. What do you have to do? Multiplication. So 14 hours means 14 into 60 minutes. This is 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to how much? 60 minutes, no? So 14 hours means 14 into 60. What you will get? Let's see. 0 4s are 0. 0 1s are 0. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. Plus 2, 8. 840 hours. Sorry, minutes. We are converting from hours to minutes, no? 840 minutes. This is 14 hours we have converted into minutes. Only this part. Now next, what is that? 25 minutes are also there, no? So 840 plus 25. This is 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 8. 685. Sorry, 865. 865 minutes. These are in minutes and these are in minutes, no? 840 minutes. We have converted 14 hours into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, no? So you have to multiply 60 minutes into 14. You got 840. So see here, 0 into 4 0, 0 into 1 0, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 7 8, 840 minutes you got. For this you have to add 25 minutes. 840 plus 25, 865 minutes is the answer. You have converted this 14 hours 25 minutes into minutes, totally minutes. Okay, that's all. You have to read the question very carefully. From which to which we have to convert, from lower to higher or higher to lower. Lowest unit to highest unit you have to do division. From highest unit to lowest unit you have to do the multiplication. Okay, this one is completed, no? Next one is what is the next one? D is 20 weeks 15 days. 20 weeks 15 days into days. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to convert 20 weeks 15 days into total days. You have to convert everything into days. This 20 weeks 15 days into days. We have to convert from 20 weeks 15 days to days only. You should not have weeks again. This one to this one means highest unit to lowest unit, no? 1 week is having how many days? 1 week is having 7 days. So to convert weeks into days you have to multiply 20 with 7, means 1 week equal to 7 days. So 20 weeks, 20 into 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14. This is 140 days. You are having 140 days. This unit days, no? 7 days. So 20 into 7, 140 days. Again you are having 15 days, no? This one only you have converted into days. So you have to add 15 to this one. 140 plus 15. You will get, this is days. 140 days plus 15 days. What you will get? 155 days. This is the total answer. We have converted this total into days. What is the final answer? 155 days. Understood? Like this we have to do. You have to take 1 week equal to 7 days. We know that. Okay? 20 into 7. You got 140. 7 zeros are 0. 7 twos are 14. In days we got. Here 15 days are remaining, no? 140 plus 15. 155 days. That's all. Okay? This is the answer. 155. Next one. He gave 6 years 7 months. 6 years 7 months. Okay. Six years 7 months into months. We have to convert this total into months. So let's see. 1 year contains how many days? 1 year. So here 1 year equal to how many days? 1 year equal to 365. Sorry, you want in months, no? So 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months, no? So you want 6 years 7 months into, you have to convert into months. Means highest unit to lowest unit. What you have to do? You have to do the multiplication. So 12 into 6. 12 into sorry, yes, 12 months into 6 years, no, 6, that's all. 12 months, you have to multiply 6 with 12 because 1 year is having 12 months. So here you are having 6 years, no, so 12 into 6, how much you will get? 6 2 are 12, 6 1 are 6, 72. This is 72 months. For 6 years you are getting 72 months, plus you are having 7 months additionally. 6 years 7 months, we have completed converting 6 years into months. 1 year equal to 12 months, so 12 into 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 1 are 6, 7 months. Okay, you have completed 6 years, we have converted 6 years into 72 months. We got this, keep it aside. And here additionally we are having 7 months, no, so 72 plus 7, we have to convert this totally. This total term is 1, we have to convert this totally into months. 72 plus 72 plus, so here we have converted 6 years into months. 1 year equal to 12 months, 12 into 6, 72 months we have got. But you have to, what you have to do, you have to just not convert 6 years only, we are having 7 months. This total term you have to convert into months. So 72 months you are having here, 72 months, 72 months plus 7 months, how many you will get? 79. Here 2 plus 7 9, here 7, 79 months. 79 months is the conversion of 6 years 7 months into months. How many months? 79 months. Just you have to know only one thing, 1 year equal to 12 months. So 6 years means 12 into 6, you will get 72 plus 7. Well, how much you will get? 79 months is the answer. Okay, so this conversion topic we have completed in today's class. Okay, so from next class, actually this is revision topic, no, so fourth bit, once you try fourth bit is what? Write the time in 24-hour clock time. Write the time in 24-hour, this is not 12-hour, 24-hour clock time. Okay, write the time in 24-hour clock time. So this one is for your homework. In this only 2 are there. Once you try, A and B are only there. Once you try, it is very easy for you. Just you have to know 24-hour clock format and 12-hour clock format. For here 24-hour clock format is enough. Once you try this fourth bit, in next class I will say, definitely I will say, but for your revision purpose I am saying to try, because everything I should not say, you have to try something, no. So fourth bit you try, this is for your homework.